name is Srikar, and I'll be your host today. We have a very interesting topic for today, which is what's new in the latest version of Moldex3D. So, what is new? The new version of Moldex3D that's coming out is going to be 2023 R2, and we expect it to be released early July, end of June if everything goes well. But usually we release it in the first few couple of weeks of the second half of the year. So that's what you can look forward to. So a lot of times people wonder who should upgrade, right? Ideally, everybody who uses Moldex 3D, it would be good for them to upgrade to the latest version, given that there are always tweaks and improvements done. That being said, this is a, I guess, short overview of who would benefit the most from upgrading. Anybody from an engineering perspective who's interested or who's looking to automate their simulation process or improve the warp predictions. I just want to make sure that the screen is being shared. So, okay, all right. So let me restart that section. What I was saying is anybody who's really interested to automate their entire simulation process or look at improved warp predictions, which is part of this new release, faster simulations, and overall improvements in the UI, as both pre-processing and post-processing, as well as advanced manufacturing processes such as compression molding, RTM, or RTM stands for resin transfer molding, or for the semiconductor encapsulation folks. Any one of these people would be it would be good for them to upgrade. And for corporations, if you're in IT, something that you can look forward to is improved support for cloud computing with the Azure Connect. And I'll be speaking a little more on this in a later slide, as well as improved project management for cross-functional teams. So these would be the who, and the why you should benefit, you should upgrade, what kind of improvements have been made are what this webinar is about. So we've broadly categorized this into 4 sections, and this is the order in which I'm going to go about things. First is I'm going to talk about solutions or molding innovations, be it advanced composites or optics, IC packaging. Then we're going to touch upon solver capability, material database expansions. Thirdly, we're going to look at what has been improved from a usability standpoint, from a project management standpoint.